Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Edwardsville, local and long-distance movers near me. Our qualified movers know how to ensure that your long-distance move does not involve all the worry. Hiring our team to assist you means your cross-country relocation goes smoothly. Relocating isn't simple, however. Using the best moving services can definitely make it a lot easier. As well as loading, transportation, and unloading, we also offer many of the other moving services, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Whenever you want to work with an Illinois moving company, justifying the expense may seem to be hard. However, after a close look at the major advantages of working with a local moving company, you're going to likely find that it's well worth it. A good moving company is going to really help you save time no matter how far you're going to go. Movers can also ensure you don't have to take care of the heavy lifting. Our experienced movers offer effectiveness with each and every single move. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you obtain a streamlined moving process for moving day. No matter how big your move is, we can get done fast. If you want to hire a professional Edwardsville moving company, you want to contact us today. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Edwardsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.